Hey guys, I'm Greg Builds and welcome to this Minecraft build tutorial. On this episode, we're going to create a large modern house. And this modern house has two large floors with a kitchen, living room, sitting area, workstation, and my favorite part of this build is the upstairs building with a built-in loft, which is above the living room. Now this build is broken down into 8 steps, and without further ado, let's start the build. Now here's a complete list of the materials you'll need to build this modern house. Also, this entire build project requires a 21 block by 18 block area spacing, and I marked my area with different color wool blocks, and this will help determine how much space we need to build the house. And it'll help indicate and orientate what is the front, back, left, and right side of the house. Step 1. First is the base. We'll need 180 birch planks, 60 gray concrete blocks, 16 bricks, and 2 oak doors. Move back 4 spaces along the back outline, and over 1 extra space. Then let's make a 12 wide row of gray concrete. Then 7 wide total across the front. Then we can add 4 blocks total on the right side. Then add bricks, a birch plank, then an oak door, then let's add more gray concrete blocks. And fill in the floor, replacing the grass blocks with birch planks. Step 2. Next, let's build the walls to the right side. We'll need 186 gray concrete blocks and 48 white glass panes. To start, add 8 additional blocks on top, and this will make a 9 tall column in total. Then we can add a column on the other end, and connect the top. Then add a column next to that. Then another column after that as well. Then one in the middle. Then fill with glass panes. In the front, we'll have 8 additional blocks on the corner, making it 9 tall in total. Then another column. Then one on the other corner. And then connect the top. Then alternate between glass panes and gray concrete, making a checkerboard effect. Next, let's add the inner gray concrete wall. Add 5 additional blocks on top, making the wall 6 blocks tall in total. Then we can build up the other side. And this will be 6 blocks tall as well. Then leave a 3 tall opening in the center. Then for the outside wall, add a column. Then add a crossbeam along the top. Then make another column, skipping a space in between. Then make 4 columns in the middle. Then we can make 1 column after that. Then add a crossbeam at the 4th concrete block up. And another crossbeam at the 7th block up. Then fill in the openings with white glass panes. Step 3. Next, let's build the other concrete wall sections. We'll need 118 gray concrete blocks and 12 white glass panes. Build a 3 tall column. Then we can make a 4 tall column after that. Then a 5, followed by a 6. Then a 7 tall column, an 8 tall column. Then we can add another 8 tall column after that as well. Then remove 2 spaces for a window. Then remove 4 more blocks for another window. Then let's repeat for the back side, and these columns will ascend upward by 1 space for each column, up to 8 blocks tall. Then add another 8 block tall column on the side. Then let's add in 2 windows. Then at the exterior side, add in a crossbeam at the 3rd gray concrete block up. Then we can fill in between. Then for the interior side, let's fill this wall up to a total height of 6 blocks tall. And then for the center, leave a 3 tall head clearance space. Step 4. Next, add in the brick centers. We'll need 216 bricks and 10 white glass panes. Add 10 brick blocks, making an 11 tall brick column. Then fill in the rest of the columns to a total of 11 blocks tall as well. Then add a brick block above the door, then 2 glass panes, another block, 2 glass panes, a block, 1 glass pane, and a block on top of that. Then let's make an identical brick tower at the back side of the house, and make this 11 blocks tall in total as well. Then connect 2 rows along the top. And connect the top 2 rows on the other side as well. Step 5. Next, let's add in the upper floors and center roof. We'll need 76 birch planks, 10 gray concrete blocks, 11 stone stairs, 33 white glass panes, 32 lanterns, and 70 stone slabs. Inside the house, let's add in a stone staircase, and start this one on the third birch plank back. Then add in 6 stone stairs. Also, we can add upside down stairs along the back side of the staircase for detail. Then let's add in birch planks for the upper level floor. Also, let's add in white glass panes for a railing. Then we can add in birch planks along the side over here, and this will be the overhanging loft area. Then we can add in gray concrete blocks on either side. And then we can add glass panes on top of that. Then let's add in stone slabs half a space down from the top of the brick. And we can fill in this area completely with stone slabs for the roof. Then on the inside, we can add in lanterns for lighting. Also, we can add in lanterns on the top floor for additional lighting as well. Step 6. Next, let's make the roof. We'll need 110 stone stairs and 98 stone slabs. Start by adding stone stairs to the right side of the house. And we can add upside down stairs along the overhang for detail. Then let's repeat along the backside with upside down stairs along the overhang. Then we can fill in the middle with more stone stairs as well. Then let's add in stone slabs for the roof section, and make this roof section overhang by one stone slab all the way around the roof line. Step 7. Next is the landscaping, and for this we're going to need 76 oak leaves. For my landscaping, I replaced the building outline with grass blocks, and then from here I added in oak leaves around my modern house. And you can always change up your landscaping in any way you prefer best, as I usually keep my landscaping pretty simple. Step 8. Lastly is the interior, and I'll leave this completely up to you. But I'll quickly show you how I did mine, and I hope this will give you ideas on how you can build out your Minecraft interior. And you can always pause the video at any point and copy my design if you would like. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions about the build or like to leave some feedback, I would love to hear it. Also, make sure to subscribe, because I create build tutorials just like this one every week. I'll catch you in the next one. Later guys! Want more build tutorials? I have many other playlists that might interest you on my channel. Make sure to check them out.